Now let's learn about the magic wand tool in Illustrator. The magic wand is also a selection tool which selects objects with similar attributes like fill and stroke color or stroke weight or opacity. The magic wand is used for advanced selection. You will see this next. I have different circles drawn on the artboard here. If you look at these circles, you will see that these circles have different properties. Like some are of same fill, some has a different stroke color, some are transparent. If suppose I want to select those circles which has a fill of blue color, then I can go around and select each one of them using the selection tool. But this is tedious and very time consuming. So this is where magic wand tool comes in handy. You can find the magic wand right below the selection tool. It kinda look like a magic wand and it indeed work like that. Now go and double click on it. You will get a pop-up box showing various options like fill color, stroke weight. As I've told you that magic wand select object with similar attribute like fill and stroke color, stroke weight, opacity. That is why these options are shown. Now let's select those circles that have same fill color. Tick this checkbox and click on the blue circle here. You will find that all the circles with the blue fill are selected. You can move them if you like. Now let's select those circles with the same stroke color. Check the stroke color and now select. You will find all the circles with a black stroke are selected. You can repeat for stroke weight and opacity like this. Suppose you want to select those circles that has a similar fill color and stroke color. Just tick the fill color and stroke color and now let's click on this blue circle. You will see that this blue circle is not selected, although it has a fill of blue. This happens because the magic wand tool select those circles where both the condition is met, i.e. the fill is the same and the stroke color is the same. So here although the fill is same but the stroke color is different, that's why it is not selected. You can see how powerful the magic wand tool is. You can customize it however you like to fine tune your selection.